In this lesson, we will add an image view in our application and set the image. For this, open our file activity-main.xml and in Common, drag our image view and drop it near the center of the screen. Then choose our image, which we download at the previous lesson. Congratulations. Then OK. And our image was added, but it is not centered of our screen. Let's fix it. We can make it manually. Click and drag our picture and drop it near the center. But it is not enough because views in a constraint layout should have constraints. Select our image view and then in Attributes find Constraint widget and set top constraint and bottom constraint. Tap plus, tap plus. The margin is 0, but we haven't horizontally constrained it. Add them, that's OK, and it is not red warning, it is only yellow warning. In the next lesson, I'll tell you how to fix it. Also, we can select Layout Width and select Match Constraint, and Layout Height also Match Constraint. This makes our image as tall and width as a constraint layout, without any margin. Our image is wide and tall as a constraint layout now, and it is white spaces. What can we do? We can find Attribute, click Search, Scale, Scale Type, and choose, for example, Center Crop. Our image was cropped from left and right, but it is higher. For my image it is not very beautiful, but maybe in your image it will be good. You can choose other scale types to choose the best. Center inside is the best for me. If you can see your wish or signature behind the image, you can move the image behind the text. In the component tree, drag and move it here. And image view will be the first element behind text view and text view 2. And text should be visible. See you soon.